Okay, so here we go on the top of this two-story here. So what we see, we're definitely gonna come do a wrench here. So you can just see debris down in there. Not really heavy buildup, but definitely some debris. The roof looks pretty good. You see everything this far. That's what it looks like on this first section right here. So we're gonna go ahead and bring the wand up and wrench these gutters out here. Let's take a look over here on this side. Be mindful as you're coming down here, taking a look in here. These ones look fairly good right here. Not see too much in the back. Take a look right here. We're walking. Do our initial inspection, and they do have a pool, so they have solar hot water. So you want to step over these and over the ridge cap without stepping on anything, right? This way, and I'm over, and look at that site down there. So come over here, yeah, we can see definitely some muck down there. Oh, hold on, it's so close in here. Let me show it to you. Let me back out a little bit. Definitely got some muck and some algae and stuff right there. So we'll come clean this up before we do our wrenching. Okay, keep going over, see what we have. Now with that, there's nowhere that we can't even get down to that from this angle here. So, because we can't walk on that, we need space to walk, and we're not gonna walk on the solar hot water. So let's walk over this way, over the pipes, over the ridge cap, and walk to the front down here. That's what it looks like. Top of the mountain, baby. So what we can do, and what I'm thinking is I can make my into this angle here and put the nozzle in there and just spray down that way and wrench from that way. So you certainly can't walk right there. Now, let's see, you can see down at the bottom down there, those ones are definitely full of debris down there. You can see that right there. Okay, and in here, we also have the same thing. We have this that has to be cleaned. This muck and stuff in here, mud. You look that way, mud that way. Now, what we have to do is gotta go over this way slightly. Can't go by this. Okay, this is our only angle that we have to work because we have pipe in here. There's nowhere to get to here and clean this. And you do have some debris right there. So this one right here would have to be, even if we blew it out, that's kind of, I would say it's about, maybe a 1/4 inch of sediment all the way down there. And these straps here makes it nearly impossible to get to. Can't, I know they look like they're rubber, but I know water goes through that, or water goes through this and it heats the stuff up. So water runs through these things right here. So if you look at that, there's no space to clean the gutter from up here on the roof. This would have to be a specialty with a ladder being moved every, I guess what, every 10 feet or so with an extension pole. So that's the assessment here. This particular area right here, we're not able to get to this because of, look at the construction with the solar panels right here. So, all right, let's go ahead and get to it then.